Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you how I made this bridal cape, this cape on the hand of the dress. So the materials I'm using is color stay, my fabric, and sewable bone 5mm. So first thing I'm going to do is to iron my fabric on the color stay. Yeah, they call this piece color stay in the market. Yeah, then after ironing my piece and cutting it off, you'll see how it comes out. So this is misty ironing, and now that I'm done, this is how it came out. It's getting firm but not strong, so I'm just going to, on one piece, I'm going to sew on the edges. That means I'm using two lines of this 5mm sewable bone. So I'm just going to sew it, and I usually sew on the edge of the bone, not on the center, on the edges. So this is it, just two lines on each, and we've gotten what we want. Yeah, you can see it, just that simple. So after this, the next thing we are just going to do is to close our piece. Just close it and you are done. You don't have to struggle with sewing a cape anymore. So if you see this video useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. Till I see you in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.